How to set stop loss and take profit in MT5. So first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. And now I assume that you have already taken your trade in MT5. So as you can see, I have also taken my trade. Now you can see there is trade option just down below of this section. So let's tap on the trade icon. And now you can see there is a open trade of AUD/CAD. So what you can do is you simply need to slide it to the left, and now you can see there is edit icons on in the screen. So you just need to tap on that edit icon, and now you can see there is stop loss and take profits on in the screen. So you can simply tap on plus, and you can just modify or set your stop loss and take profit from here successfully by tap it on modify. Once you set your stop loss and take profit. So basically this is how, and this is the process to set your stop loss and take profit in MetaTrader 5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.